Hi, my name is José Garrido, and this is a comparison of semi-urban and forest populations of the Jalisco mud turtle, or Kinosternon chimalhuaca. Mud turtles in the genus Kinosternon are primarily threatened by climate change and land development. To survive in increasingly urbanized and dry habitats, they utilize man-made water sources such as cow troughs or irrigation ditches. But there's still little research on how these conditions affect population structure, showing positive and negative effects across taxa. Here, we will present the first comparative study of the Jalisco mud turtle from pristine forested arroyo, seen in figure 1 on the bottom left, and a semi-urban habitat in an irrigation ditch flowing through a nearby small town in figure 2. Between these two sites, I expected to find significant differences in the sex ratios and sizes of turtles. Turtles were captured with baited hoop nets in July and December of 2019, when weight, sex, and several measurements of size were taken before giving them a notch in their shell to give them a unique ID. Some data was also included from prior opportunistic encounters. In the forest, 36 individual turtles were captured with a single recapture, while in town, 217 captures of 206 individuals estimated a population of 741 turtles living in the town's irrigation ditch. Looking below at figure 4, we quickly see that there were inverted sex ratios between these populations. The semi-urban turtles had 2 females for every male, while the forest turtles were the complete opposite, with around 1 female for every 3 males. Because turtle sex ratios are determined by the temperature in the egg, the higher proportion of females in town may be due to warmer nesting temperatures from urban heat island effect, but this does not explain the success of these turtles into adulthood. Principal component analysis found that straight line carapace length, or SLC, is the most reliable and representative dimension for measuring body size. So using this measurement, the histogram on the top right, figure 5, was made of males and females from both sites. There were significant differences in the sizes of males and females between sites, seeing larger turtles in the forest, as well as sexual dimorphism for larger males. Males from the forest showed a narrow and bimodal distribution compared to the widespread distribution of males in town. This data supports my original predictions. However, a low sample size and recapture rate in the forest limits the scope of this preliminary study. Nonetheless, these findings warrant further investigation into the influence of man-made habitat on turtles, and I will be conducting a thorough study of demography, diet, thermal ecology, and the movement of turtles in both habitats, as well as a forested natural pond later this year. I'd like to thank my advisor, Dr. Daniel Beck, as well as Taggart Butterfield, Allison Scoville, and all my other friends and family at Central Washington University and La Universidad Nacional Autónoma de México, who supported and made this study possible. Thank you.